Hello, how's it going? Good morning. Happy Monday. Right now in the pre-market, looks like we're testing this 468.4 level or so. I'd say that's of significance because you can see that we've hit this level as a low here, 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 here before breaking through, came up, retested it, bounced off, came up, retesting it. So it's kind of a former low point that we've broken below and now coming up to retest. You could see either a big rejection off this level, or if we reclaim it, we could start making our way back up. Pre-market looks like we kind of tested it, coming up, testing it again. We'll see. I mean, we're in a kind of uptrending, but struggling to break that level there. So in terms of how the day plays out, definitely watching for a rejection off this level, but it does look like it will probably occur in the open, the test of that. So I'm not sure if I'll take that right off the open, but it's something to consider.
What I ordered versus what I got. I ordered.
See if there's any news coming out today. Nope. We have consumer credit coming out at 3 p.m. Eastern, but that'll be long after I'm off for the day. So nothing really today, nothing really tomorrow. We have trade deficit coming out pre-market. Wednesday we have something, wholesale inventories. Thursday is kind of the bigger day, but all of it is pre-market in terms of news. That's core CPI, initial jobless claims. Yeah, not much for news coming out during trading hours this week, so that's kind of nice actually. Take a quick look at QQQ if we want here. See where we're at there. If we get down to like that 394, I'd love to see a bounce down there. Looking like we're pretty strong though. Both times we've reached up at this point, we've had a rejection Thursday and Friday around 399.5. That's something to watch. Might make a create an alert. Let's do it like up here, around 399. Create alert. Sure. Just so I don't have to watch it. Actually, I guess I'll create one down here too. Somewhere down there. Just. I'm gonna try to start doing that more often. Using alerts to kind of passively pay attention to what QQQ is doing, and I haven't really traded QQQ. I've watched it, I haven't actively traded it, but I might start doing so, especially if I can, excuse me, especially if I can set alerts and, like I said, kind of do that a little passively. Could be nice. This level's kind of around like this pre-market high here. I guess we have an after hours high up in here. And I'll put something up there just for fun. My alert already went off. I think I must have done that incorrectly. What's going on, fellas? Good morning.
Good morning. What's going on, man?
How are you all doing?
Good.
Good. We have like no news coming out this week. It's kind of nice. Well, nothing really during trading hours. I have a level on QQQ that's rejected off of previous 2 days. It's kind of approaching around like 399.5 or so, 399.25. I set an alert for it.
Hello.
What's going on, Yvonne?
Good morning, boys. Are you guys saying something or you're just waiting?
Nothing too crazy right now. I was watching QQQ. It's approaching kind of an area that's rejected off of last Thursday and Friday. I mean, it's got a little ways to go. But just looking at like daily or hourly or something on QQQ, it's got a level around like 399.5-ish.
Yeah, I have a zone there.
Yeah, I have an alert set to see it when it gets up there, but I just saw it's getting pretty close.
Yeah.
But on SPY, nothing too crazy.
Yeah, on SPY maybe retest of pre-market high.
SPY's looking really strong.
Nvidia just touched 500.
Dang. SPY's looking real strong.
Yeah, on QQQ you have 3 days rejection from that 399.50 area.
Mm-hmm.
Gallbladder problems but I found there's very limited options available to support.
I do have a level at 469.26 on SPY that we just touched as well.
Yeah, Nvidia is breaking 500 at the moment.
Yeah, I see that. Crazy.
So I'm probably not shorting QQQ if it touched like half a day yesterday. I mean, on Friday. It's looking strong for now.
Yeah, I'd want to see it show some weakness up in that area before I shorted it.
Yeah.
But I do like that zone to watch for sure. Yeah, Nvidia's cranking over 502 now.
We also in 1 hour you have a channel that Nvidia just broke. From like one month old, it's breaking now to the upside. Yeah, QQQ is working.
Yeah, it's above 399.5. It's right at that area. See how it reacts.
Yeah, my exact zone is point 58
Hmm.
from Thursday highs.
Yeah. Yeah, Thursday and Friday I noticed both kind of rejected off that same area. High a day. So I'd expect it to be a big resistance for it here. But yeah, Nvidia's flying 505. Holy shit.
Yeah, 506.
Yeah, dude, it's cranking. Jeez, man. Nvidia's been so strong.
I was trying to see what happens with pre-market high. It was like on 497, so I missed that one.
Dang. There's a ton of volume coming in on QQQ, and it's like forming a nice, man, it looks nice for like a little reversal or a pullback. On the 2 minute and 5 minute right now.
Yeah, I like that.
I'm just kind of, I want to wait a little bit. It does, I mean, the tech stocks are really strong right now, so. But I do like that area for rejection. I kind of want to see maybe where this like 5 minute goes. We are quite a ways above the 9 EMA on the 5 minute too. We could see a pullback somewhere in there. Wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of like what I'm seeing on QQQ in terms of rejection in this area. Might give it a shot in a little bit here. If it doesn't go without me.
Dang, Spy's getting bad pullback too.
I think I might enter on QQQ. I probably should have waited for that 5 minute though. It's looking strong now, but I'm gonna give it a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know if I was looking to retest that pre-market high, bouncing off pre-market highs.
Nvidia's really strong. Holy cow. Yeah, I entered too early. I think I might get out of this put. I don't like that. Yeah, I got out. That was bad trade. I got in a little too early on that. Should have waited for the 5 to close. Damn, Spy. Maybe I'll just stick to Spy. Spy rejected off a level I had perfectly right around 4. Maybe I was just doing too much. Stick to what I know, maybe. Damn, Nvidia's cranking 509. That's wild. It broke out and just started flying.
Yep, it's all-time highs for Nvidia.
That's crazy. Yeah, 512. Wow, it's flying. That's nuts. Spy's breaking the high day right here. Breaking out of that zone that it rejected out of. See if it gets any follow through. Dang. Maybe not. I'm kind of thinking, I kind of like SPY puts in this area. The volume's kind of died down. It's struggling to break that. I might let this 5-minute close and then see from there. It looks a lot less strong than QQQ. It's struggling at this area right here.
Yo, what level do you have right there, Bank?
469.26 on SPY.
Gotcha. You said 0.46?
26.
26? Right on. Yeah, it's holding pretty well on the pre-market high as well.
Yeah.
I'm really struggling to at 469.26 level for sure.
Got quite a bit of selling volume up there when we approached it earlier. And then like the push back up was kind of on lower volume, so we'll see. Nice. SPY dropped pretty good.
Yeah. Are you in puts?
Yeah, I took some up there.
Nice.
I trimmed on that drop and now I'm just holding a runner. We'll see.
Nice.
Yeah, it is holding that pre-market high though. That's something to watch.
Yeah, for sure. Just in the little range right there.
Yeah. A lot of volume on that drop though. That's what I was noticing when we got up there. Selling volume was a lot higher than buying. I'd like to see us come back to that point where we bounced earlier. If we could hit that recent low, that'd be great.
Yeah, that would be huge. Especially if they.
Oh my gosh. All right, I'm out. I'll take it.
Right on the 90 range too. So.
Yeah, yeah.
And then right at that level where we bounced previously, so to get an exit point.
All right. Damn. That was a really nice trade.
Yeah, that must have been, yeah, because it moved fast.
Those premiums jumped like crazy.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Yeah, look at that. We're buying it up right there, exactly where we sold.
I got absolutely, well, I trimmed it, or what am I trying to say? I stopped out decent on that QQQ trade I took earlier, but that one got me. I just entered too early, so I'm happy to have that. That was a way better trade.
Yeah, solid. Yeah, that was nice. What contracts did you trade?
What did I trade? The 469s, same day.
Ooh, in the money. Yeah, those must have gone. Nice. Yeah, that bounced at about 20 cents.
My entry was, I think my average price was like 7.4, and it went all the way up to like over 1. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. No, that's phenomenal. Good stuff.
Yeah, good stuff, man.
I appreciate it.
That's an insane fill. You got like the bottom.
Yeah, I got really lucky. Well, I kind of like DCA'd and I took a couple contracts when it was up bouncing around that level. I just took a couple fills.
Nice. Averaged in.
Yeah.
Super smart. What I do most of the time.
I was reading, I know Fooley and Scream in the general chat were talking about that too, and he's saying he likes to average in his positions. And yeah, I'm going to start trying to size up a little bit more this year. Nothing too crazy, but
Nice.
that 469.26 has been a crazy level the past like week or so. We've had some wild moves around that, from like bounces to rejections. I think that's like maybe the second or third trade I've taken off that level. But yeah, once we break out of this range that we're in on SPY, I would not be surprised if it broke to the upside, because it's still holding that pre-market high. It's looking pretty strong.
Yeah, it is holding that pre-market high with the 9 EMA.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if it breaks out of that range, like a break and retest of that area would be beautiful too for longs.
Yeah, it's looking nice. Damn, I should have entered in those. Just too busy talking. Oh well.
Damn.
Yeah, that was a good setup right there. Perfect setup. A little scalp. Damn. Damn.
This is some aggressive.
The way to get a tissue, we broke through, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, I was out 5 minutes. Did you trade anything?
I just traded some calls earlier.
Nice.
Have you traded anything?
No, not yet. I was waiting for SPY or QQQ to retest some of the previous highs, but it was so aggressive.
Yeah.
I see that we came back down and then immediately reverse.
Ryan, do you ever use trend lines?
I've been doing so less lately.
Yeah.
What's up? Oh, you're seeing from like the past 2 days? I think I see what you're saying.
Yeah, that, and then on like ES as well.
Gotcha. Yeah, I never look at ES. I should pull that up. just for fun. Yes, resistance or support?
Resistance.
Okay.
And like the last like 3 spikes, last like 3 days really. Creating nice tops.
Oh yeah.
Do you see it?
I'm looking on. Fuck! I just went to the 5-minute. That doesn't help me. Yeah, it looks like it kind of broke out though to me.
Here, I'll show you what I'm.
Yeah, maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing, brother. Damn, SPY's looking real strong though. I wouldn't mind a pullback to that previous high on SPY.
I never use trend lines. I just noticed that right now.
It's in the trade chat. Oh, gotcha. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe I think I might have been looking at the wrong one. But yeah, that's solid. Yeah, I don't really,
Approaching it right now.
for sure. I don't use them too often, but like when you get like a multi-daily, like something like that, where it's like you get pretty severe drops off a area.
Right.
I just had some times where I was drawing like some like pre-market trend lines, and those would not really hold up. But I feel like something like that, that's pretty nice. That's a nice setup. Especially that trend line's kind of like right around that level that you have too. I can't really see the price, like 4.6 or 470 something.
Yeah. I mean, I think it lines up kind of with like on SPY. It'd be like yesterday's previous day high.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah, SPY had a little bit of a trend line that it just like rejected off of too from the past 2 days, or like Thursday, Friday's high, almost perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, dear God, I'm glad I did not hold puts on QQQ. That thing ripped. Wow. But yeah, SPY's coming down, test that previous area. If it comes down and holds, I might, with really small size, look to take a call.
That's what I was thinking.
I don't really want to risk anything after having a nice trade, but that is a pretty nice setup.
Mm-hmm. Have y'all looked into futures at all? Like seriously looked into futures?
I've not, but I've considered it. The no theta sounds wonderful.
Yeah.
No theta and like having a, like you can actually know exactly what you're risking, and
Yeah.
like your risk to reward is like way more consistent.
Like what are the downsides to futures? Do you know that? Like compared to options?
I mean, I think it's something like if you don't get out of your contract, I mean, you can lose a big amount of money, like more than what you
can
put
lose
in.
more faster or what?
I mean, yeah, that as well, but it also runs off
Yeah.
a different system. I believe it's a little bit different.
Okay.
I've seen a couple like traders that trade options. They're like, I might switch to futures. Or, like people trying to pick it up. Yeah, I don't know.
A lot of people.
That's what kind of got my attention. Is a lot of guys that I've been following for a while have been making that switch.
Damn, that retest of the high a day on SPY did not last long. It went down there and just reversed.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, that would have been a nice, but wanted to see it maybe consolidate before going for it. Yeah, no, I've been curious. Damn, it's ripping from there. I've been curious on futures though. I just was watching a dude who's, yeah, he was like, when he's setting his stop and take profit and everything, it's like he knew already what he was risking, like down to the penny. I was like, that's kind of nice.
Clean.
Yeah.
There's no guessing.
Damn, that rip off the previous high. Sheesh. Things are moving today.
Can you take it to previous day high? Damn, dude, Q's ripping.
It's pumping. Yeah, Nvidia's at like 512. Dear God, that's glorious.
Jeez.
I mean, we should have known Nvidia was going to rip. I think it came out, Nancy Pelosi bought Nvidia calls like last week or something. That's a dead giveaway. She isn't wrong. I don't know if you saw it. There's a list. There's like a Twitter account called Unusual Whales, and they track like a lot of like insider trading from like politicians.
Yeah.
And they posted a list of like all these politicians that outperformed the S&P 500. Insane.
I saw that.
It's like the majority of them did. They're getting like 80%
Someone had,
returns.
like 200% or something.
Dude, it was
40, some crazy thing.
It was like 257, I think, was like the highest. His portfolio like tripled.
Yeah, I was like, damn.
Certainly not shady.
Yeah. That's insane.
It's kind of funny to think about. It's like, it's no longer like finance dudes in Wall Street. Just politicians are outperforming the market. Oh, man.
Everything's kind of lining up.
On SPY?
SPY, SPX, ES. I haven't really looked at Qs yet.
Yeah, I'd be a little hesitant maybe to get in right here. Just because we're approaching that EMA and that level.
Yeah. So if you were to take puts here, where would you look? You would look for like a retest back at high or what?
I ideally want to take like, whether I'm entering like puts or calls, I try to take them as close to like the resistance or support that I'm watching, or like, I guess close to where I would stop out,
Okay.
if that makes sense.
You just try to make your stop as tight as possible.
Yeah, I don't want to make it like too tight, but I usually like, I want to see it close to, I guess like the, say if we're like rejecting off high a day or something, like I'd want to enter puts around the high a day so that if we break and continue up, like I can cut pretty quick and be out.
Mm-hmm.
But if we start to drop, then it's like you kind of maximize the reward on it as well. I only said hesitant about puts here because we're kind of close to the 9 EMA, and then also retesting like that area that we had the previous high.
Yeah. No, that's fair.
And I guess it's technically still in an uptrend.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and also especially when you're fighting the trend, you want to be, I mean, your stop loss needs to be as flat as possible when you're fighting the trend. That's my take on it.
You said just to have your tight stop when you're fighting the trend?
Yeah, get in the puts as close as to like resistance area because you're fighting the trend today if you're in puts.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, it's very strong day. I'm not even thinking about puts, honestly.
Fair enough.
There's a ton of volume coming in on SPY right now.
Mm-hmm.
But for instance, like here, if we get up towards high a day and we start like weakening, or like volume dies down, we start to show some weakness, that's like an area you could consider it. I'm not saying that I would do it, but
Right.
that's like more of a setup that I would like.
Okay.
If it looks like it's like forming a double top or something, because then if it breaks through and sets a new high a day, then it's like, all right, maybe that trade idea was invalidated. I guess like I like to know if I'm like right or wrong pretty soon or pretty early.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
Gosh dang.
But yeah, there's some crazy volatility going on right now.
Yeah, it's crazy. I was about to push up and-
Nvidia at 414 and still climbing.
Yeah,
Jeez Louise.
and fully I see a trend line in general chat. I have the same trend line on the graph.
Yeah.
But looking how we are strong now, I wouldn't be surprised if we break the trend line today, you know?
Yeah, that trend line's also kind of right around that like 470 whole level too. So that's an interesting one.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, exactly.
Damn, Fully said he just lost power.
Damn, no way. I'm glad he wasn't in a trade.
Dude, for real, good thing you didn't take puts and lose power. Oh my god.
I would have been, holy moly, if that was me.
Yeah.
I'd been freaking out.
I think he's trading from a phone. He's
Uh,
Oh, is he?
I think he places trades from his phone, but like watches and charts on his computer maybe.
Hmm.
yeah,
Damn, that's hard. I could not do that.
I've tried it.
yeah, that's very
I
hard.
could not even imagine. I'd be so late on all my entries.
Yeah, I've tried it. It's pretty rough with like entries and exits. Also like setting a stop. I could never get an accurate stop on my phone.
Yeah, I just scalped some calls right there from that 9 EMA.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we got a little pop off there.
Yeah, I was like, I'm sure we're gonna bounce this a tad bit.
And that reaction we got previously when we dipped down into that zone, around like 469.4 or so.
Yeah, it wasn't much. I got in like at 107, sold at about 123.
That's not bad. It's almost like 20%, over 15 or so.
Yeah.
Oh man, crazy price action though.
Yeah, you scalp some puts. Sorry, I was out. I was doing some house things. You scalp some puts.
Me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
understand it correctly. Or...
Earlier in the day, I tried some puts on QQQ that stopped me out pretty quick, and then I did some puts on SPY that worked out a lot better.
Are you green?
Yeah, I'm probably done for the day. I made it back and some.
Okay.
I sized up on my winning trade, which worked out. If that was a loser too, that definitely would have been the end of the day for me.
That was a great trade. That was like almost 30 cents a contract.
Yeah, it moved.
The SPY's looking super strong.
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
Yeah,
It's probably gonna test that 470, 46 level probably.
Yeah, Yvonne, I was looking. I have a level around like 469.26 on SPY, and on the 5-minute, we had like 3 consecutive candles fail to close above it. So I took puts and then caught that quick move down to like the 9 EMA.
Okay, yeah, I see it. But it was a very quick move.
Yeah, it was super quick. I luckily didn't try to hold too long. The contracts moved well, and once it got that push, I just exited.
Yeah, at that exact time, like QQQ touched that resistance area, break and retest, but it was so quick.
Damn.
I did not take. It was very quick, like 50 cents in 1 minute.
That's insane. Yeah, contracts are moving pretty well today.
Yeah, it's been a pretty nice day for the market. Alrighty, yo. I'm probably gonna head out.
Word, man.
Yeah.
Take it easy,
I'll
brother.
see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, you too, man.
Later.
See you, man.
See you. Good luck, y'all.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't know if I'll take anything else. Probably not.
Yeah, I'm watching this resistance. I have a level on QQQ 401.20.
Let me take a look. 401. You said 0.2 or so?
Yeah,
Yeah, I see.
exactly where it touched it. Half days.
Shit, it really hasn't had much of a pullback either, huh?
Yeah, that's why I'm scared to take.
I could see it pull back to like 400 or so. That makes sense.
Yeah.
It's like kind of the last place it consolidated before ripping. But yeah, I don't know. With how strong it's looking, Nvidia scares me. That thing is nuts today. If you look at Nvidia's 5-minute chart, holy shit. It's nuts.
Not a single red candle.
No, it moved like $20 in the first like hour of the day. What an insane move.
Yeah. Crazy. breakout traders probably have some fun today.
Seriously.
Everything was in play on media, like pre-market high, like 500 break.
Crazy. Yeah, once it broke out at 500, that thing went.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, almost 20 million volume
Wow.
for Nvidia today. Just in the first hour. Crazy. I mean, Tesla is dead today.
Yeah, it's not really doing anything, huh?
Mm. I mean, SPY still trying to go up.
Yeah, I'm almost wondering if we get like a double top around 470. It's going up, but it seems like it's slowing down its momentum quite a bit.
Yeah. And Nvidia first red candle. Full body red candle.
Dang. Yeah, the 470 on SPY has been a level that usually gets some reaction around it. Alright, there's a new high on SPY. Touch 470 pretty much exactly.
Yeah, let's see if it's going to reject it.
Wow. SPY was looking a little hesitant up there and then just blew right through it.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy. There's been some wild moves today. I think I'm probably about to head off though. I don't think I'm on trade anymore.
Yeah, man. Of course, you had a nice trade.
Well, I hope you have a good rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Good luck if you take anything.
Thank you. See you.
Later. Alright. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. Have fun. I'll be back tomorrow.